All right, Tesla fam, let's dive into what Tesla does and why it's such a revolutionary company in the tech and automotive world. At its core, Tesla is all about accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. They're most famous for their electric vehicles, like the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X, which are designed to be not only eco friendly but also high performance, with cutting edge features like autopilot and full self driving capabilities. But Tesla isn't just about cars. They also innovate in energy solutions, like the Tesla Powerwall, which lets you store solar energy for use at home, and the Solar Roof, which turns your house into its own clean energy generator. Then there's the Supercharger network, Tesla's answer to range anxiety. With thousands of fast charging stations worldwide, Tesla makes long distance EV travel a breeze. And let's not forget Tesla Energy, which provides large scale energy storage solutions for businesses and utilities, helping stabilize grids with renewable power. Tesla is also pushing boundaries with futuristic projects like the Tesla Semi, the Cybertruck, and even robots like Tesla Bot. They're constantly redefining what's possible with technology. So, whether it's driving, energy, or innovation, Tesla is shaping the future. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.